여기 있는 분들은 여기
This is a true Canadian.
Ready?
How's it going, guys? Day 2 in Korea, and we're gonna go to the Kwang Jang Market, traditional market, this morning. Apparently there's a lot of street food there, and we're gonna grab some breakfast. So we're gonna hit 2 museums, and that should take up most of our day, and then head back to our Airbnb. And there's a night market there. There's also a Meerkat Cafe. I don't know what type of animal that is, but...
Oh, you don't know what a meerkat is?
No.
It's just like this.
No.
It's like long.
This place was like a hole in the wall. It was a little hard to find. And we walked right by it actually. But we found it. And there's a lot of shops here. It's still early, so half of them are not open yet. But this is the indoor shopping mall.
What happened here?
When you come to Korea, don't eat fast food. Learn and speak from experience. Eat the street food, it's pretty good. They keep the spice kills all the germs. Eat the spicy food. The boiled food also kills germs. Over here we found that Korean food, it's either, if they can't fry it, deep fry it, they'll boil the shit out of it. It's either one of those. It's pretty good. Or
So what
even
happened
better,
to your stomach after you ate McDonald's?
it went there's no bueno.
It's getting a little later now, so the market is actually happening now.
You're not eating that.
There's live octopus. Whoa.
Eat it.
Sure?
Okay.
Chew it! Chew it!
Let him concentrate.
Oh, it's stuck on my mouth.
You have to chew it, Chase. Chew it. Chew it more. Don't swallow. Oh my god. Walk away.
Oh, so cool. Got to try it.
Can't do it.
It's really chewy.
It's the hardest one. You're still chewing it, eh?
Keep
I can't even break it.
What?
It's like the toughest thing I've ever had. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Oh, Tusha gonna do it.
wait. Make sure you chew, Tusha.
Extra hot sauce. Is it hot sauce?
Bon appetit. Bon
Go
appetit.
ahead. Whoa. Is it moving in your mouth?
Let it
Mouth
suck.
is
Let
moving
it,
around it.
let it suck on you.
Not bad. Pretty chewy. Octopus chewing gum. Bucket lift check. The longer I was chewing it, the more you could taste the sea almost, and it started becoming kind of gross. So I swallowed it.
Ew, you swallowed it?
No.
Otherwise, if I kept chewing it, it was pretty chewy. It became like a fluid almost.
No, mine was
wasn't
so squiddy.
disintegrating.
You know, like
Yeah.
the inside of the squid, where it's like really
still there?
Yeah, it's still there.
No, but I felt like if I kept chewing it, I would start throwing up.
Oh,
Like the taste of
the water.
Yeah.
So we met some nice Singapore people who were, I think, doing the scavenger hunt. So they had to buy a plate of octopus live and gave us a bunch to eat. There's a lot of bikes, motorcycles, and carts. Everyone's pushing around, so you gotta kind of be careful.
Oh, dumpling.
She's the only one that's selling only dumplings?
Yeah. I feel like she's probably more specialized.
Channel 8.
Look, she's got like channel fucking... Take the menu.
That was like the best dumpling I've ever had. We saw her make them fresh this morning, rolling the dough and everything. We are on the bus now to Trick Eye Museum. We're now in the Trick Eye Museum. You can download an app and it has all these weird things that you can see on your phone.
Are you guys ready? This way, this way. Ready?
Oh, the man is inside?
Yeah.
You going first? Push. Oh man.
Oh my god. Why did I put my jacket away?
Oh, it's so cold.
Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh no, it is.
Go, hurry up.
It's not that bad.
Oh my god, go. It's freezing in here.
Wanna take a picture in the ice?
We're expressing through the ice museum because Cheese is freezing his ass off. There goes Cheese. He can't take it. Bye, Cheese. I'll take video for you. You know it's really cold up here because if you look, even the icicles are shivering.
Did Cheese leave?
Yeah.
He just ran?
So we'll give you the tour. Folks, don't worry.
I'm clean, I can take this.
Oh, she's the ice queen. Ice panda.
Nice chair.
Some frozen fruits. Oh, nice. Ice toilet. Look at it. A frozen shit. Kilo's gonna try and lie down on this bed here, made of ice. Oh, she's doing well. Flashing stars, frozen time. This is a true Canadian.
Ready? Nom 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 nom.